guys, welcome to the Origaming and Returning channel. Today I'll be teaching you the integers question number 10, the 1, 2, 3, all the subdivisions of NCERT class 7 maths chapter 1 integers. So come on, let's go. So the 10th question is related of a monkey. A water tank has steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. So it's sitting on the first step and the water level is at the 9th step. So we need to solve the first one. He jumps 3 steps down and jumps 2 steps back as highlighted in the given picture. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? So first we'll solve the first one and then we'll go for the next ones. So first one. He jumps 3 steps up and 3 steps down and 2 steps up. So he's at the topmost step. He jumps 3 steps down. So he'll be at 4. So at the first step, the monkey will be at 4. And he jumps 2 steps back. So he goes to 2. So at the second step, he will be at the second step. So after a second step, he needs to move 3 steps down. So he goes to the 5th step. So in the 3rd step, he is at the 5th step. So 3rd time he is at the 5th step and now he need to move 2 steps up. Now he is at the 3rd step. So 4th time, 3rd step. So I don't have space over here, so I am writing it over at the top. So in the 5th step, the monkey will be at, so as he have moved up, where he need to go down. So 3 steps down. So he will be at the 6th step. So 5th step, he is at the 6th step. 5th time he is at the 6th step. So after 6th step, he need to go 2 steps forward. So 6th time, 3rd step. I mean 4th step. 4th step. Now as he is at the 4th step, he needs to move 3 steps down. Now he is at the 7th step. So 7th time, 7th step. And now he needs to go 2 steps again there. I'll erase this. So for the 8th step, he is at the 5th step. So now he needs to go 3 steps down. So now he's at the 9th. He is at the 8th step. Now the 10th time, he will be at 6. So 10th time, 6 steps. 6th step. So now if he moves 3 steps down, 6 plus 3 becomes 9. So 11th step, he will be at 9th step. So he is drinking the water. So we have solved the first one. So first step, 4th place. Now again he comes up 2 steps. So 2. So after 2 he comes to 5. After 5 he comes to 3. After 3 he comes to 6. After 6 he comes to 4. After 4 he comes to 7. After 7 he comes to 5. After 5 he comes to 8. And after 8 he comes to 6. And the final step to the water, he comes to 9. So it takes 11 steps for the monkey to reach the water. So now let's solve the second subdivision. So the second subdivision is based on moving up. He drank the water, so he is now moving up. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. In how many steps will he reach back the top step? So he needs to reach the first step. So now let's solve it. So the monkey is at the 9th step, 8th step, 7th step, 6, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So he needs to reach the first step. Now he's at the 9th step. So he moves 4 steps up and 2 steps down. Okay, so now let's solve it. At the first step, the monkey moves 1, 2, 3, 4. So now he's at 5. So the first step, he's at the 5th place. Okay, so now after 5, he comes down 2 steps. So the second time, he is at 7. So the second time he travels, he is at 7. So third time, you know that he travels 4 steps up. So from 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now he's at 3. Now he's at 3. So third step, he's at 3. So now he needs to go 2 steps down. So he comes to 5. 5. So the fourth time, he's at 5. So after 5 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times he gets up. So the 5th time, he's at the first place. Easy. We solve the second question. Okay, now let's solve the third subdivision. Okay, if a number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved up by positive integers represents this moves in part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. So the third part is nothing but we need the thing we did in the first part and the second part. So A, minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3. So as we have did it 11 times. So minus 3. As we have did it 11 times. First he went 3 steps forward and 2 steps back. So they have gave it for one time. So minus 3 plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2. So the monkey went 3 steps forward. So it's at 4. And it comes 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer we get is that minus 18. So you can also try it by yourself, and minus 18 plus 10. So the answer we get is that minus 8. Okay. So the answer we get is minus 8. So the monkey has went down 8 steps to drink water. It's a very simple concept. So from 1 to 9. So minus 8. So 1 minus 9 is equal to minus 8. So if you look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is a very easy concept. So now the same we should do in the second step. So the second step, 4 minus 2 plus dash equals 8. So this answer we got minus 8. So the next one we are getting 8 because the monkey moves up. First he went down to drink water and now he is going up. So 4 minus 2 plus. So we need to do this about 5 times. 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. So if you do this, you will get the answer. So we need to add all the the positive numbers. So we get 4 3s are so we get 12. So 2 2s are 4. So now we've added all these 4s and we added all these 2s. Now we need to subtract this. So 12 minus 4 equals 8. So we've got the answer 8. So this is a very easy concept, but you all people are thinking difficult, I know. So try the sum by after seeing this video, try the sum by yourself. So let's recall again. The monkey moves 3 steps forward, 2 steps back. As it does, it moves 11 steps to reach the 9th step. That is the water. So in the second question, it moves 4 steps forward and 2 steps back. So it's at the water level and now it needs to go to the land. So it jumps 4 steps forward and 2 steps back. So it does 5 times to go to the land. And then the next one, as you have did 11 steps, so minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. So we need to do that for 11 times. We get minus 18 plus 10, which is equal to minus 8. So that's it, guys. I've taught you the concept. I think you might have understand. So bye bye.